It's so easy to make. Let's make shaken beef bol luklak. Cut a half pound of ribeye steak into big chunks. In a mixing bowl, season with thick soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, brown sugar, minced garlic, soy sauce, black pepper, and optional sesame oil. Place in the fridge and marinate for 30 minutes or more. Wash and cut your veggies. I'm using bell peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and scallions. Watercress if you have it. On high heat, add oil to pan. This is going to add so much textures and flavor to the dish. You want to sear it for a minute or two. If you want to saute it, you can, but I like mine with a little bit of a crunch. Once you're done sauteing it, go ahead and set it aside. Next goes in your ribeye. Cook it to how you like it. If you want it more well done, then go for it. Give it a flip after you give it a little sear, or give it a shake because it's shaken beef. My fiance, she doesn't like it raw, so I'm gonna have to cook it well done today. Add back in your veggies and add 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter. Stir everything together, and lastly your scallions, and turn it off and you're done. Wow, look at that. In that little sauce cup is the dipping sauce I made with black pepper, lime, and salt. If you have it, you can lay this on a bed of watercress. I didn't have it, so I used what I had in the fridge, so I made it Cambodian style. Next, remove from wok, place it in a bowl. Next, add in your... Next,